Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to quickly create your own earrings in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing we're going to do is launch Design Space on your computer or on your app and then hit New Project. Now I'm just going to make some very simple circle earrings with an adhesive vinyl over top to add a little dimension. So I'm going to need a circle. So I'm going to make it the size I want it first, and then I will copy it for the second one. Well, you don't have to actually do that. There's two ways. So first, 3 inches, about 3 inches wide is probably too big. So I think I'd like them to be about 2 inches wide for earrings. I'm not a big earring person, so 2 inches is perfect. Then I'm going to grab another circle and make it real small, much smaller, because all I need is a little space for my earring holder to go through. I'm going to stick that right up at the top there, and if you're happy with it, with where it is, you want to leave enough space so that you don't rip your earring when you wear it, but not too much so that you can't fit the earring through. When you're happy with where it is, then we're just going to select both of them and click slice. And now we can delete that, and we have our earring here ready to go. So we can just leave that and be done. And then in the next step, we'll click Make Two. So one more thing, I'm just going to add, why don't we add half a hexagon? That'll be fun to make it a little bit interesting. So I'm going to make it so that sometimes my computer does that. Make it so that the hexagon is about a little smaller, I think. So I just want it to go up along the bottom here. Right, like that. Okay, and so I'm happy with where that hexagon is. So then I want to just slice off the rest. So I'm going to, what am I going to do? I think I'm going to hit slice and see how that goes. And I think we'll be left with everything we need. I'm going to actually take these back together and I'll just weld those back together like that, and then we'll have this guy here to delete. And then I'm going to make this a different color because we're going to cut it out of something else, and we'll just see what it's going to look like. So we'll put it here and move it forward so we can see it. So this is what the finished earring is going to look like, something like that. So then we're ready. We're just going to hit Make It. And you want 2 copies, and you hit Apply. And I'm using an adhesive vinyl, so I don't need to mirror anything. And then head over to the tutorial to see how this finished up.